the xy plane, the graph of which of the following equations is perpendicular to the graph of the equation above? We're going to have to compare the slopes, and whenever a equation is written in the form where the x and y variables are on the same sides of the equation, we could use the formula negative a over b to find the slope of the line, where a is the coefficient of the x variable and b is the coefficient of the y variable. So if we apply this formula, the slope of this line is going to be negative, our a value is negative 3, and our b value is positive 4. So the negatives are gonna cancel out, and then our slope for the line is gonna be 3/4. And then the question is asking for a equation that is perpendicular, and for the slope to be perpendicular, it's gonna have to be the negative reciprocal. So we're gonna have to look for the slope that is negative, and the reciprocal of that is just 4/3. That's our goal slope that we're trying to find out of these answer choices. So let's go to answer choice A. All of these equations are written in the form that I wanted to, where I could apply the formula. So I just apply the formula. It's going to be negative, our a value is 3, and our b value is 6. That simplifies to negative 1/2, so that's not the answer. And for b, the a value is 3, our b value is 8. That's not our answer either. And for c, it's going to be negative 4/3, and that is our answer. So C is going to be the answer.